So it is a happy and healthy morning to all of you. And so here you joined. Uh, so generally, this Google Classroom I have created today. I uh, shared that in our WhatsApp group. So please, all of you join that Google Classroom. That is very mandatory. I will share every day the syllabus and the daily notes in that. And any exams I will inform you them through that. That is a medium of communication between us. Okay, so let us take up some topic. So today let us go through some topic related to command line and commands, how to take that. Let us go through that. So generally, and there are so many mediums by which you can compile a Python program. So one among them is idle. So if you take that idle, just wait. It is just slowly opening. So if you open that idle is a Python compiler. It is a window for processing Python commands and all. So it is downloaded from python.org. Okay. So for example, if you type here something, print hello, something if you type here, so it will process it here. This is a line by line processing. This is a line by line processing, it is called. But when you open a file, click on this, if you click on new file or press Ctrl N, there will be another window is open. Another window is open. So this another window. Okay. Or you can take one more new file. Just here you can type your own programs in a batch. In a batch means in a group of commands also you can execute once in a batch. That is nothing but a program. Program is a set of instructions. Here you can go with a set of instructions. Set of instructions that are actually that you will do here. So def ABCD. So you can write a program here. A comma B colon. Next you can write sum sum equal to A plus B. Next return sum. Next here you can call the above function using ABCD 25 comma 35. That you can store it in a C is equal to, okay, that you can store it in a thing and then print C and file. Save this, save as. How to save this file? You have to save this file with a .py extension. .py extension. So I am going to some D drive. So in that D drive, I have opening a particular folder called Python programs. So here I am writing with some particular name, addition. Okay. So Python files it is saving. So addition.py extension automatically it will add. So addition one. So one I will say. So I will click save here. So it will be saved with addition one. So many windows opened. So you see unnecessarily when I click with double and twice, thrice, if you click so many times, there is a problem. That's why you should click only once and wait for some time. So now just I am opening command window, command prompt. Okay, command prompt I am opening. So now I am open and just said D drive, CD, Python. So now if I say directory, dir directory. So here you can see how many files are there. So many files are there. Directory command is a command. It will display all the list of files in a particular directory. You can see. So many files are there. Now if I type Python, what will happen? Did not said anything. Python 3. Not doing anything. Python 3 I said. Not doing anything. Python. Sorry. Python 3. Addition. But nothing it did. So there is a problem with path. Okay. So we have to see where is the Python program. That path we have to add. Otherwise, this problem we are getting here. So to avoid the problem, let us go to C and where is the Python compiler. So let us see, go and find where is the Python compiler. Otherwise, here I'm not finding anything. Python compiler. Okay, Epic Pen, Google HP Maker. So not finding here. So here if I see, I am not finding the Python Windows programs, program files. So where is the Python? Microsoft Office video learn. Okay, this here it is not there. Users, okay, program files x86 also. Microsoft Windows Mal, okay. Online and common files. Google, it is not there. Python 3. So let us see, Python 3 is the name of the compiler. Let us see where it is hidden. We are enjoying the online tools. That's why online tools are also not so good because sometimes we have to use the local tools. That is very important. Hmm? So using local tools on your the tools that are in your machine, that is your own tools for compiling and all. I installed Python 3.8, but I neglected so much. So it is searching a lot. Entire C drive. That's why it is taking a lot of time. Entire C drive it is searching, working on it. It is searching. So it is searching a lot. Okay. So it is taking a lot of time. So let us postpone that. So generally, where is that? Where is the command? So dear students, please learn this. This is called command prompt. So whatever the commands you type here, that is called command line argument. Command line commands. So see how you will get it. So just if you type this here CMD, CMD here, you will get the command prompt. So here you can type or you can open this Anaconda prompt also, no issue. So directly you can open this Anaconda prompt. It is taking some time. This is called Anaconda prompt. Anaconda is a software that is also that is called Python distribution. All of you note that Anaconda is called Python distribution. Python distribution means a lot of Python software along with the compiler and all, along with a lot of libraries associated with it, ready-made. No need to install modules again and again in Python. So no need of installing modules. For example, the necessary modules all are installed in that software itself. That is called Python distribution. Normal Python software, in that you will approved modules by the Python community, Python official community. So that modules will be there in the Python regular Python software. So but additionally, when you download this Anaconda, it contains Python distribution. Python distribution means actually it is like that additional third-party modules are also installed in that, so that whenever you do some large complex program related with machine learning, related with the data science, you have no problem of installing all that third party modules using pip install that module name. What is the module name? What is the command to install third party modules? Pip install OS module I am installing. You see, it takes some time, but it is installing OS module. Could not find a version that satisfies the requirement OS, so it may be deprecated. Okay, so let us take pip install math. Error, could not find a version that satisfies the requirement math. Okay, none. So like that you can install any software, any third party module using pip install command. So that module will be installed, so that after installing that module, you can get that module using import command. So now I am going to D drive. That directory command I am using. So I am getting a lot of things. Directory /ad. Sorry, directory /ad if I type. Sorry, this is called disk operating system commands, DOS. So this is my Windows 10 operating system. In that also this disk operating disk operating system commands are running. Now which directory I need? I need to change cd Python Pro, Python Pro. Okay. So D drive Python Pro icon. Again check the directory. In that we did some program addition one. So Python space Python 3, we say what will happen, let us see. Python 3 addition 1.py. So Python 3 addition 1.py. Python addition 1.py. Abba. So we got the output. So this is the command. Actually, for Python 3, they made some difference. Sometimes Python they are saying Python 3 they are saying. So Python is the command. So Python file name .py. So if you give, that will be compiled from the command line. So addition.py. So this is called command line compilation. So group of Python commands you kept in one file called Python abcxyz.py. .py must be extension. So you saved in a file called any file, any name with .py extension. That you can run from the command, that you can compile using which command? Python command. So how to compile So our Sparsh is asking something about this command line. That's why I'm going to all the time preparing you for learning command line arguments and all. So yesterday Sparsh initiated me for this. Okay. So that's why, okay, I am preparing you for this command line things. So next, okay. Slowly it is opening. How painful it is because of a very small memory I have. My memory is only 4 gigabytes. That is the problem. So what is the command? Python is the command. So xyz xxx is the .py should be the file name. This is the command to run a Python file at the command prompt. So if you pass some arguments here only, some 10, 20, something here, something along with this, this is called command line arguments. This is called command line arguments. Actually, in C language, we have main method, sorry, main function. The control of execution, the path of execution is managed by main function. Here, there is no main function in Python. Everything is scattered. So from the first line onwards, it executes. So for that, we have some special method called argparse that we will discuss in the next class. So generally, you understand how we are going with the command line. So how to execute a program at the command. So something Python should be the command, name of the file, and you should give a extension .py. So please extension.py. .py should be the extension of the file name. So after getting extension of .py file, so what you will do? You will you will execute that .py extension file at the command prompt output you will get. So for a group of commands, not for a single command, for a group of commands, for the complete program, you will get this extension. Okay, this extension. Okay. So like that. Okay. So otherwise, this will go like that. This will go like that. So this will go like that, and Python space file name and addition. So here one more program we will take and we will run on the command prompt. So for that, just to take a notepad here. Notepad. So notepad you can open. So just I'm reducing here. This is a very nice actually notepad. Notepad format font. So in this notepad, just to type the Python program. How are you? Print. Now education came to home. Education came to home. Came to home. We are learning online. Learning online. Learning online. Now education came to home. Learning online. Print. We can sit. We can stay home. Home and learn all information technology and computer science subjects, computer science something blah blah blah. So from home. So this I'm saving it as saving a D drive. The Python programs. So in the time saving it as intro. Intro. So all files .py extension I am giving. Intro.py. Click save. Now I saved this happily. Now I am going to the command prompt. Command prompt called this is Anaconda prompt. This will come when you install the Python Anaconda in your system. Otherwise this won't come. This is called Anaconda prompt. This is called Anaconda prompt. Here I am typing Python space. What is the name of the file? So let us we have a doubt. Directory type. So what is the into dot py, into dot py something? Python into introduction. I want to say something I said. So you can, okay, now I got the output. So it is visible to all now. We can change everything. We no need to accept small fonts. We have to have a lot of tears to see that. Sir, we are unable to see the small fonts. Now I made it big, dear students. I changed the settings so that it is visible to you. So the system that change, let's say the fonts can be modified like this. I changed the fonts so that you can see clearly. No need to have tears. So what I type at the command prompt, Python space that file name into introduction.py. Now if I hit enter, I'm getting the output. So the entire set of commands are stored in a one particular file, and that we are compiling using Python space filename.py. This is the beautiful way of compiling the entire code in one go. This is batch processing. This is also called as batch processing of commands, Python commands. If you say Python, let us see what way anything comes here. Okay, this is working fine. So I am lucky. So here it came. This is called line by line compilation. So now here you type print. Let us watch movie. Watch movie. Let us watch movie and enjoy. And enjoy. So let us watch movie and enjoy. It came. So coming out, let us try this function. Quit function I used. So to come out of that line by line interpreter. So that line by line interpreter you can come out. So you can process line by line like this. In a batch you want to process, take any notepad, type the Python program, save it as .py file, and write the command. So this is the command line arguments. Command line way you can compile the Python program with Python command space Python file name .py. So how to invoke the Python line by line interpreter? Using Python command. So this is the brief overview how to go with command line things. Now let us take one more. Okay. So just let us take one more program and see. Now def F is a keyword. So I print have I pressed print print going to have I have to will you come with me? So now I am taking some refreshing statement. I'm going to hell. Will you come with me? Just this is a statement here. This is the just I am calling this function using hi. So now I save this. Save as. So functions function one dot py. Okay. So next all files select. Click save. Function one. Okay. Now go to command prompt. This is called Anaconda prompt or any prompt. Anaconda prompt. So here you type Python. So function one dot py. So hit enter. I'm going to hell. Will you come with me? So that will be displayed. Okay. So like that at the command prompt, how to process this particular Python files. Python files, how to run at the command prompt. We are running the Python file using this Python space filename.py. If you hit enter the command, the Python file will run at the command prompt. So like that. So we are doing. Okay. Now just let us minimize this. Okay. Now this is the way. Just I introduced two command lines. Amaya. Okay. So we introduced it to command line. Is that clear to you? Is there any doubts? You can ask now. I'm just stopping. Hello, who is presenting? Meghana. Who is presenting? Okay. Okay. So now only 43 people came. Okay. What about the remaining people? Where are they? So total, how many students are there? Why they are not present? So this is attendance is going recording day by day.